Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Preferred Club Junior Suite swim out at the amazing Secrets Moxché Playa del Carmen. Let me just say the first thing I noticed when I walked in this stunning room was how fantastic it smelled. The next thing that caught my attention was that swim out. Look how secluded and luxurious. I would not want to leave. That's where the 24-hour room and concierge service will really come in handy. If you don't want to leave, you don't have to. They'll just bring everything to you. Staying in the Preferred Club definitely has its perks. Lots of extra amenities, like a pillow menu, hydrotherapy circuit, that beautiful beach bag, upgraded minibar, upgraded bath amenities, and exclusive access to the Preferred Club rooftop bar, restaurant, and infinity pool. I did love that the room had a separate water closet so that you don't have everything all being shared and open like the rest of the bathroom, which was lovely. It did have lots of space to put your things. It did have a makeup mirror, beautiful rainhead shower, plus a wand on the wall, which in my opinion is a necessity. There is a bench seat so that you can shave your legs, ladies, or whatever else you might need to sit down for in the shower. There's beautiful mirrors everywhere, full closets with lots of space. Truly, this space, though, this is why you book this room. Have you ever seen a swim out that was so secluded, private, perfect for anniversaries, honeymoons, or just spending time with your special someone away from everything else?